Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Hypothesis testing can be tricky, but we will master this problem in 60 seconds. Let us break down the steps to find the correct answer quickly.
First, identify the parameter. We use P for the population proportion, not the sample statistic p-hat. Hypotheses always describe the population, so we eliminate options using p-hat right now.
Jamil wants to know if the proportion is greater than 0.67. This indicates a right tail test. We look for the inequality symbol that represents greater than for our final answer. The alternative hypothesis must reflect the research claim. Since we are testing for a value greater than the null, option A is the correct mathematical representation. You got this. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid using p, hat, or wrong directions. Always use population P and check the inequality.